Here we go, kid. This is the Holiday Inn Express in Pikeville, Kentucky. Been a while since I've been here, I think, again, so I wanted to kind of show you around. But this is a standard room this time, I believe. I'll have to double check that. But we have a weird collection of toiletries. 3 different brands represented. I guess 4 if I count the soap there too. So that's kind of odd, but whatever. I guess it'll get the job done. We walk over into the bathtub. Okay, except then you get down to the drain there. It looks kind of gross. Cover. Looks like it was recently done, but not the finest of work there. But overall, it's okay. We will go on in. They have a Keurig mini fridge with a mini freezer. And this one does have a microwave as well. It does have here a sofa sleeper, so you can pull that out. Outlets on either side for that. We do have iron, which is actually in here, along with the safe. We have the closet, as well as this other, not closet. But anyway, over on this side here, we can see that, no, you can't really see, but it's not an outlet over there, which I thought it was at first when I came in. But we do have a couple of outlets there, as well as some USB, although one of them, you can see in the bottom there, it is broken as well. I know, I'm sure this looks awesome on video, but anyway, you can see that. Over here, again, no outlets. Right there. Desk area is fine. Does have desk light, which desk light has a couple of outlets back around there and then on the side, as well as another outlet right there. Underneath the television, we can see some more outlets. They do have a list of the channels, which the thing missing here is HD. You can't really tell from this camera. Actually, looking at it through the camera, funny enough, makes it actually look better. The picture's awful. So yeah, nothing really to rave about here. The room's big, I guess, so that's a plus. And then the front desk people are pretty nice as well. So yeah, there you have it. Until next time, kid.